Hi, baby.
Hi, Mom.
Kuya did not fix his bed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who's gonna fix it?
Me.
You? Wow.
Wait first.
Okay.
I'm putting on the safety.
First, what you do first? Okay, like that.
Under.
Mm-hmm.
There. It's amazing.
Wow. Riley is so good. How old are you, baby?
3.
3 years old.
But
But Riley is so responsible na.
But 3 years old can fix beds.
Really? Yeah, just like you ba? Mm.
But Yana also can even fix her bed.
Yeah, Yana can fix her bed also.
Without no parents.
Mm.
Without parents. Because without helping. But I don't want helping on my own first. On my first fixing beds.
Mm-hmm.
Watch me. Today, I'm fixing the bed when it's morning.
Yeah.
But Kuya doesn't want to fix his bed. Maybe Kuya wants a dirty bed.
No. Kuya was in a hurry because he needs to go to school. He forgot.
He forgot to.
Yeah, but when Kuya arrives, Kuya will wash his lunch box.
And then Kuya will see the bed here.
Yeah.
Clean. And Kuya will say, who cleaned this bed?
Of course. The baby sister.
So Kuya will be proud of me.
Yes.
And Daddy too.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy is so proud of me.
Yeah. Are you done na?
Not yet.
Not yet.
What? Almost. I'm on the top of this bed. I'm using my feet to clean the bed. That's funny. Bouncy. I bounced on the top of the bed and now. Wow. And then I'll go down like something stuck there. Every time it's very close. Whoops. How did it do that? There. That's better. That's better. Whoops. Look, Daisy. Cover. This is the old sound. I'm the baby sister of the one, but I'm not a baby anymore. But I'm not a baby anymore, right?
Yeah.
I'm just 3 years old. 3 years old kid can
Yes, just like you. Are you done, na?
Not yet.
Not yet. You want me to help you?
No.
No.
What? This is wiggly. Whoa. That's funny. What? Mom,
Yes.
did you see me?
Yeah.
I love cleaning beds.
Yeah. Hurry up na.
So that we cannot arrive
Yeah.
and Kuya will see it messy so many times and I'm still cleaning it.
Yes.
Kuya will say, are you cleaning the bed? Yes, I am. Only 2 pillows to be there, not 3.
Okay.
Because the 3 pillows will make it dirty again.
Okay.
There. Woo. I'm not done yet.
Yeah. But you're almost done, right?
Mhm.
Yesterday, I was so surprised that you were fixing the bed of Kuya.
Yeah, but it's Daddy's bed. Ah!
Careful.
I almost fell there.
Yeah, careful.
But I'm holding this brown thing.
Yeah.
What is this?
A dresser. Okay na. Hurry up.
Why am I walking like that? I'm so funny at walking. Whoops.
Sige na, hurry up na.
What? It's almost clean.
Yeah, it's almost clean.
What's there?
Mm.
Remember? I woke you up and then you're surprised.
Yeah.
And then I was saying, Mommy, wake up. And then you waked up and then you saw the bed.
Yeah. I saw the bed. It was so nicely fixed.
So that everyone can sleep.
Yes.
There. That's almost done.
Almost done, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the bed. Oh, almost done na.
Almost done. I'm looking on the side so that the blanket cannot even do something. I'm looking on the side, not on the bed.
Okay.
I'm looking on the side of the bed. Whoa! What? I'm wiggling on the... Wow! Mom,
Yes.
I like cleaning beds.
Yeah.
Mom,
Yes.
I love you.
I love you.
I always fix beds.
Yeah.
Look, it's almost clean. Mom, I'll stand aside there so that it cannot be very dirty here. Ooh,
Careful.
that's it. Ooh, this is very awesome.
Yes.
I don't like a dirty bed and a dirty house.
Yeah, but our house is not dirty, right?
Yeah. My dad cleaned it.
And who else?
And me.
Wait, who else cleaned the house? Daddy and?